Hello friends, good morning. My name is Rupa. Today video topic is weather instrument. As you know, meteorologists use a wide variety of weather instrument. Do you know why? To measure current and upcoming weather conditions. There are various instruments. According to me, you must know about that instrument. So let's get started. So guys, there are most important weather tool in this picture. You can see rain gauge, barometer, thermometer, anemometer and wind vane. A wind vane is an instrument that determines the direction from which the wind is blowing. विंड की डायरेक्शन को मेज़र करता है, डिटरमाइन करता है. विच टूल? विंड वेन. नेक्स्ट इज बैरोमीटर. बैरोमीटर मेजर एयर प्रेशर. इट टेल्स यू वेदर और नॉट द प्रेशर इज राइजिंग और फॉलिंग. नेक्स्ट thermometer. Thermometer measure the air temperature. When air around the tube heats the liquid expand the move up the tube. A scale then shows what the actual temperature is. Rain gauge used to measure rainfall amount. And an anemometer. An anemometer is an instrument that measure wind speed and wind pressure. Let's revise quickly with detailed picture. Thermometer. A thermometer is a weather tool used to measure the temperature in the environment. Keep in mind temperature in the environment. This tool is a rain gauge. Rain gauge measures the amount of liquid precipitation over a period of time. Next tool is a wind vane. A wind vane is used to measure wind direction. It spins on a rod and points in the direction from which the wind comes. So we use wind vane for wind direction. Next is barometer. You will have see this tool in your geography book also. Barometers are important to measuring air pressure. Air pressure can help you predict good or bad weather. Anemometer. You can see the shape of this weather tool in this picture. An anemometer is a weather tool that measure wind speed. As you know, wind speed is an important part of weather. If you enjoyed this video and this concept, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.